Hey everybody, are you ready for another great week of trading Forex? Do you have a plan? Remember, the key to successful trading in Forex is planning the trade and trading the plan. So in this video, I'm going to go over the XAU USD, the gold, and 5 major currency pairs to see if we can find a good trade setup that will help you to have some successful trades this upcoming week in trading Forex. Hey everybody, I'm Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website you see on the screen there. And that's where you can go to find everything you need to know about trading Forex. Trading strategies, copy trade, fund management. I am a full-time Forex coach, trader, and fund manager. And over the years, the most important thing I've learned about trading, you've got to have a plan. That's why I always emphasize plan the trade and trade the plan. And that's why I make these videos, to help you look for and find a high probability trade, a good trade setup. So plan the trade and trade the plan, and that will greatly help to ensure your success as a Forex trader. Okay, so let's jump in and have a look at the charts and see what's coming up for the second week of June 2021. All right, so we start off looking at the charts with XAU USD, and I have a buy limit on gold. As everyone knows, gold has been bullish since when? Since the 9th of April 2021. So most of April, all of May, and into the first week of June, gold is bullish. So you want to get in at a good price. All right, that means we need to wait for a retracement, wait for a pullback. Get in at a lower price. If you already have some positions, maybe you got in back in the 9th of April, all right, at 1680. But if you didn't, you can still get in. All of the commodities are having a stellar performance. Some analysts are calling this the super cycle for commodity trading. Gold, copper, silver, platinum, palladium. And you know, gold is going to go up. Everyone is quite sure, confident that gold is going to continue up. Perhaps to above 1900, to perhaps 1950, or even 2000, or beyond that. So you want to be long on the commodities, all right, but we want to get in at a good price. So that's why I have a buy limit here. For example, Thursday, we had some news come out, which was good news for the U.S. So gold fell down 450 pips. And it fell down to about 1865, 1866 in there. So I went long again at 1870. I took another buy trade at 1870. And then on Friday morning with the Asian Pacific market, if you were up and watching at that time, you could have got in even a better price at 1855. But this is what you want to do with the commodities, is wait for the pullback, buy on the dips, wait for that retracement, be patient. Don't buy at high prices. Don't buy around 1900, okay? Because you will see a correction. You will see a pullback. And that's what we saw last week. So last Thursday and Friday morning was a good time to get in long again on gold. And I have a buy limit now at 1873. It closed Friday at 1890. So if you want to get in on gold again, a long trade, a buy trade, wait for it to pull back to about 1873 with your stop loss at 1853, and then your take profit at 1917. Then the Euro US, we'll look at some of the major currency pairs here. The Euro US on the long-term chart is giving us no indication of clear direction. In other words, it's neutral. And we know what neutral means. Neutral means no trade, all right? Neutral means be patient. Wait till we have clear indication of whether it's going to continue to higher prices or it's going to turn bearish. I am expecting the Euro US to start turning bearish, but we need to wait and see. All right, don't jump the gun. Okay, be patient. Patience will reward you in trading Forex. Let's look at the odd US. I do have a sell limit on the odd US. It's generally trading in a range between this resistance here and this support. Although with a very high impactful news that we had on Thursday, it did break below support but then came back above. And I'm expecting to see perhaps even a turnaround for the odd US to become much more bearish, but I do expect to see it drop down to this test this support level again. So that's why I have a sell limit on the odd US. Entry price 0.7750. Okay, the New Zealand US is the same. They trade very similar. All right, it's also been trading in a tight range, similar to the odd US. So that's why I have a sell limit. The analysis for the New Zealand US is usually always pretty much the same as the odd US. We have a sell limit on the New Zealand US, entry price 0.7225. And then the pound US, here's another one with no clear indication of direction. All right, it's neutral. Neutral means no trade. Okay, be patient. Wait for the right indication of whether it's going to continue to move to higher prices or start to turn around and become bearish. Now the USD CAD has been bearish since March of 2020. However, it looks like there's going to be a recovery with the USD CAD, and I'm expecting to see it turn bullish, but for the moment, for today, there is no trade on the USD CAD. It's neutral. We had a big move up on Thursday of last week, but then with the non-farm payroll news, which came out on Friday, was bad for the U.S. economy. We saw that big drop. But I'm expecting to see a recovery, and the USD CAD could be turning bullish. But we need to wait and see. All right, be patient on that one also. All right, if you would like to get my regular signals that I send out, you can just let me know on this Telegram social network that I use. My Telegram ID is @RickRayFX, and I'll put you in the group for free daily Forex signals. I usually post at least one signal, either for gold or one of the major pairs. Not every day, but almost every day. And that's absolutely free. If you want to be in that group, just send me a message to my Telegram. ID is @RickRayFX. Okay. So I hope you found that helpful. And if you did, don't forget to click the like button just below this video. And if you would like to be sure and get notification every time I make one of these videos, which is at least once a week, be sure and click the subscribe button, which you'll see at the end of this video, and click the little bell for notifications. All right. So if you're a new trader, just don't forget to let me know, what trade did you take this week? Or do you have some open trades from last week? What do you trade mostly? All right, let me know if you decide to take the gold trade or one of the majors, the odd US or the New Zealand US, or perhaps the USD CAD, and let me know how it went for you. Okay, I do reply to all comments, and I would love to hear from you. So until the next video, take care, have a great week of trading, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.